What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to generate AI images for free on your iOS or Android device. Creating AI images has become a fascinating way to bring your wildest imaginations to life without the need for extensive graphic design skills. Whether it's for creating unique backgrounds, visualizing concepts for projects, or just for fun, the ability to create images through AI is a game changer, especially when it's free. For this purpose, we'll use a specific AI image generator app called Imagen AI Art Generator by Vyro, which is available on the App Store. To get started, simply open up your Google Play or App Store and tap on the search icon located in the lower right corner. Use the search bar at the top to look up Imagen AI Art Generator. When you see it appear in the search results, go ahead and visit the app's page to download it. After downloading, launch the app. If it's your first time using it, you need to agree to the terms of service, so make sure to read through those and accept them to proceed. While Imagen offers a premium subscription for additional features, it generously allows you to continue using it for free, which is fantastic for those of us not looking to spend money. Once you're on the main screen, the creative process begins. Start by entering your prompt. This is where you describe the image you want to create. The app provides filters to help fine-tune your prompt, making the AI more likely to generate the exact type of image you're envisioning. Once you're satisfied with your prompt and selections, tap on Create. And just like that, you've entered the world of AI-generated art right from your mobile device without spending a dime. It's an incredible tool for artists, creators, or anyone curious about the potential of AI in the realm of digital art. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.